Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to take a quick peek at some properties for a surface. So when you select your surface and right click in properties, on the right hand side you get that properties pane. First view I want to take a look at is like this one, the display flags, right? So I have a flag right here, which obviously there is a problem. However, it's not affecting my site. I wanna do a 3D snapshot of my surface. Not this one, it's not cleaned up, but the flags kind of look, hey, they raise questions, so I can turn them on and off and make sure that they are not visible. The next one I want to take a look at it is the rebuild method. By default, this rebuild method is set to automatic, and that means that if you are modifying your surface, right, let's go in 3D view. As I'm drawing this line, the surface down here, you can see it's rebuilding. Now this surface is so small that the rebuilding takes it's instantaneous, right? So if I was to take the line string and delete it, surface is automatically rebuilt and it's back to square one. Now what happens is when you have a large surface which takes quite a while to rebuild, by inputting one little break line on one side of a site, you might it might take you a couple minutes to rebuild the whole surface. That's where we go and we switch the properties of the surface to rebuild method by user. So I will control when the surface is gonna be rebuilt. Then I'm gonna create a break line and I'm gonna do something similar I did before. And as you can see, my surface is not being rebuilt at all. When you go to your project explorer, you can see under your new surface this little exclamation mark. That exclamation mark basically tells you that something has changed on the surface and surface has not been updated to the latest and greatest version. So before we rebuild it, I want to take this time to make sure that you don't forget to subscribe, hit like, comment and all the good stuff. And let's go back and hit right click the new surface and hit rebuild surface. And as you can see, what happened is it rebuilt the surface based on the line break line I have added. Now I can take that break line and erase it, and as you can see, the surface has not been modified, but the exclamation mark came back. So once I right click and hit rebuild, my surface is back to normal. So that would be a quick tip how to make your surface, how to modify your surface without rebuilding them constantly. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next one. So there is one more here which shows empty. So if I go and do the by user and I add the break line in there, okay, close. So and I take the surface and I hit rebuild method show empty. So basically it's not showing us the surface itself, it's just showing, it's hiding the surface. However, if I do I can't even do so. I have to go back to my user, hit hit rebuild, and it's gonna build my surface. So just show empties. Let's say you have multiple surfaces and you don't want to show them in your 3D view or whatever view, you can just basically turn them off by showing empty. Okie doke.